6:13. I feel cold, man.
Now we're back at the Seder. We're leaning to the left side, 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 side. It's clear that this night is different from all other nights, 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 nights. Cut the banter. Now Zadie's making kidder, so we stand up. We say Porei, pre-hug off, and wish I could kneel. My Sparty cousin to your rice, 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 rice.
Baby, tonight, Sadie got us seating on living bread. Baby, tonight, Sadie got us seating on living bread. So fight, although you might have problems digesting tonight. 'Cause baby, tonight, Sadie got us eating unleavened bread, unleavened bread.
Hot and flavorful, that's how I like my matzo balls. Got Pharaoh to let my people go, so we celebrate with unrisen dough. And yes, we'll make a fuss. Got a relative sitting next to us, little brother asking for questions, and I'm about to dip some vegetables. Going back for cups of wine, and after dinner